Well, people keep asking me this question on the channel, and since Google seems to be all over the place with the answers, I'm going to give you the 5.4 liter 3-valve Triton motor cylinder order. People keep asking me what bank is bank 1 and bank 2. Well, looking at the passenger side of the vehicle, this is bank 1, and this is bank 2 on the driver's side, looking at it from the front of the engine. Radiator fan, crankshaft pulleys, everything's right here. This is bank 1 because it's the furthest forward cylinder, so the cylinder order goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bank 1, bank 2. If you have a P0420 code, that's that cat. 430, that cat. Hope that helps you. People keep asking me the question, so I figured quick video, and you guys will have that answer. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you in the next one.